Hello everyone. Today we are exploring a popular topic, using a vanilla Visa gift card with Cash App. Now keep in mind, we are talking about the vanilla Visa gift card, not the reloadable card. This is the actual gift card you might receive for special occasions. Let's walk through the steps to see if we can add it to Cash App as a payment method. First, if you're not familiar with vanilla Visa gift cards, they are widely available at many retailers. You can load money onto it when you buy it. This card works just like a debit card wherever Visa is accepted. But remember, it's not reloadable. Once the balance is used up, you can't add more money. Vanilla Visa gift cards are a convenient option for gifts, incentives, or even personal use. They can be used for online shopping, bill payments, or in-store purchases. However, they do have limitations, such as the inability to reload funds and certain restrictions on usage with some apps and services. Now let's see if we can add this gift card to Cash App. I'm opening the app now. If you don't already have Cash App, you can download it from your App Store. Once installed, you'll need to create an account and link a bank account or debit card for full functionality. Here's the home screen. From here, you can request money, send money, or check your balance. To add a payment method, tap on the balance at the bottom left corner. Mine shows $0, but your balance may vary depending on your recent transactions. Once you're here, you'll see your balance at the top. Scroll down a bit to find the option that says Add Debit Card. It's next to a little plus icon. Let's click that. Next, you'll need to enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip code for your vanilla Visa gift card. Now, here's something important. The zip code isn't printed on the card. If you haven't done it already, you'll need to register a zip code by calling the number on the back of the card. It's a quick process. Once registered, you can use the card online and at gas stations. I've already registered my card, so I'll go ahead and enter the details now. Once everything is entered, a green button will appear. Tap on it to proceed. Unfortunately, here's the result. Cash App doesn't support prepaid cards like the vanilla Visa gift card. It's unclear why this is the case, especially since these cards are essentially cash. If you know why, feel free to share in the comments below. Hopefully, Cash App updates their system to include gift cards in the future. One possible reason for this limitation could be to prevent potential fraud and ensure that all funds transferred through the app are traceable to a bank account or a verified debit card. Prepaid cards, being anonymous and not linked to a specific individual, might pose challenges in tracking and verifying transactions, which could be a security concern for Cash App. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.